Today, we will be talking about Darkfield illumination. In Darkfield illumination, the specimens appear bright against a dark background. Darkfield can be useful to increase the contrast of unstained specimens, like the onion nuclei shown here. It can also be used to increase the contrast of live specimens, like these paramecia. In bright field illumination, the slide is directly illuminated from the bottom. However, in dark field illumination, a direct light blockage is placed, which blocks the direct light from reaching the slide. This causes the background to appear dark. However, if any specimens are present, they will refract the light towards the objective, causing them to appear bright. Because the amount of light that reaches the slide is not high while using dark field illumination, the slide must be very strongly illuminated. If the direct light blockage is either the wrong size or is misaligned, it might cause the center of the view to be dark. And that's the end of our video. Bye, see you next time.